This is the machine default running state screen. The upper left corner allows for switching between Chinese and English. The value following runtime represents the time taken for the machine to complete one cycle. All count indicates the total quantity produced by the machine. Count represents the quantity produced after the last reset. Long press the 0 button to clear the output count. Parameters below 0 represent machine, running state, and the number of inserts, which are non-editable values. When you need to set parameters, you must log in first. The running speed of the machine has a relatively large impact on the service life of the machine, so our company has set 2 login passwords: low-level password operator level, speed parameter law, high-level password engineer level, full parameter access. The low-level access password is 1234. After logging in, you can modify relevant parameters, but the speed cannot be set. After selecting the insert's speed, the login password is 8888. Once logged in, all parameters can be modified, including adjusting the insertion speed. The manual interface allows manual operation of the machine for running processes. The insert's front delay time refers to how long the cylinder moves downward. Pressing 2. Start inserting after the machine is started. The insert's back delay time refers to after the set number of pieces have been inserted. The cylinder rises. The auto reset off switch indicates that if the last piece is too tight to insert, the machine will automatically attempt to reinsert it. This button is usually preset at the factory and does not need to be turned on or off manually. Insertion speed represents the motor speed during the insertion process. Increasing the value will speed up the operation, while decreasing it will slow it down. Inserts all count represents the number of pieces that need to be inserted for the product. Different products can have different insertion quantities set accordingly. Insert's front count allows you to set a specific number and speed for the beginning of the insertion process separately. Insert back count allows you to individually set the number and speed for the last few pieces in the insertion process. Add PCs close indicates whether additional force is applied for the final piece. It is recommended to keep this setting off, as enabling it may cause increased wear on the machine. The last page represents the acceleration and deceleration times for the entire machine. Generally, these settings do not need to be adjusted, as they are preset the factory. The insert's resist time indicates how long the machine can run without reaching the home position. If this time is exceeded, the machine assumes a fault has occurred and will automatically stop.